Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So first of all, Merry Christmas. I am recording this video on Christmas Day, even though you guys are going to see it the day after, but Merry Christmas to you and your families. I hope that everyone had a beautiful holiday. Remember that we have the most beautiful gift. We were able to open our 2 eyes this morning, so make sure that you guys are grateful for that, okay? Make sure that you guys are grateful for that each and every morning that we do wake up. But in today's video, today is going to be the second to last day of Vlogmas 2021. This is Vlogmas day 24, and in today's video I just wanted to sit here and open my gifts with you guys. This was something that I want to do it, but then again I don't want to do it because I don't want it to come off as like me bragging or anything like that. But I just thought it would be nice to just share the gifts that I received this year with you guys. As you guys may or may not know, my father did pass away 5 years ago, and this is the 5th Christmas without him. So this year I feel like it was just different. I don't know what it is, but yeah. So here I am opening my Christmas gifts on camera with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I don't want anyone to think that I'm bragging, to think anything like that. I have a few gifts. I don't have too many gifts, like, you know. It's not giving all of that, but I'm grateful for each and every gift that I received. So if you're someone who gave me a gift, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. And yeah, so you guys know I'm not big with like sharing gifts either, whether it's gifts that I'm giving or gifts that I'm receiving. So this video was also kind of weird for me to do because I'm not really the type to like record people opening each and every one of their gifts. But I just wanted to share this, so here we are. Okay, so before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So before we get into the video, I wanted to share today's look with you guys, give you guys details on the look. So I just put my hair in my high puff that I always do. Same steps, my 2 gels, brush it up, scrunchie it up, and this is what we got. My face, I did a few things different with my makeup today, I'm not even gonna lie. But these lashes are from Naya's Mink Lashes. I think that's what it's called. I'll see if she has a website and link it down below. And my lippy is, I'm touching my ear, but I'm talking about my lip. My lippy is MAC Cork Lip Liner with Bite Beauty Tamarind Power Bullet Lipstick. I think that's what it's called. And then my Morphe Freebird lip gloss on top. My go-to lippy. Earrings are from ASOS. I'll link them down below. And my top is actually one of my gifts, so we'll get into that in a few. But let's go ahead and get into the unwrapping. So I told you guys in a previous vlog, and I'm gonna tell y'all again, I do wrap my own gifts and open them like I don't know what's in there. So these are all gifts that I purchased for myself. I wanted to start with these, but yeah, this gift wrapping paper, so on brand for me. Like, Target made this gift wrapping paper just for your girl. Who else is checking for a gift wrapping paper with flamingos on it? I'll wait. But let's go ahead and open these gifts first. So this is the first gift that I got for myself. Can you guys guess what it is? So I got myself, finally got myself an electric lighter for my candles. I told you guys that I'm up in my candle game. I got my new candles, so it's time to, you know, make sure that we have some healthy candles. So I did order some other candle accessories as well. Majority of the ones that I mentioned in my holiday gift guide. So if you guys didn't see that video, make sure you guys check it out, because even though the holidays have passed, there's still recommendations that you can just get for yourself just because. So I got myself this lighter. I also got myself the kit, the clipper, I don't know what it's called, the snuffer, I don't know, but the 3-in-1 kit, I got myself that. And it was something else that I bought, but the lighter is the only thing that came in time, so I wrapped it for myself. I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it. I wanted to open it, but I also wanted to like wrap everything cute for this video and just for myself in general. So yeah, I can't wait to use her. Okay, the next thing that I got for myself, I actually purchased this. Let me unwrap it first. And one thing about me, I know how to wrap a gift. Okay, so this is the second gift that I got for myself. It's this Ebony wood gift set, and I actually purchased this on Black Friday during Zara sale, and I paid $21 for this. So I wanted to save this because it has this cute little tie on it. I should have put from me to me on the thing, but that's enough. So I'm gonna unwrap this. And inside we have 2 bottles of Ebony Wood, which is one of my fave fragrances from Zara. This is in collaboration with Jo Malone. So it came with the, let me see the sizes. It came with the 3.04 fluid ounce, so the big body bends, not the Pathfinder. And it also came with a 0.51 fluid ounce. So I can travel with this one, but I can keep this one at home. So I'm hype about this. I'm actually gonna put that up on my perfume stand. And the next gift that I got for myself is, it was an impulse purchase, but I'm happy that I did get it. So can y'all guess what it is? Let's see. So it is a bag, and it's my first ever Balenciaga bag. Can y'all see that? Yeah, big B's, okay? This is the bag right here. How beautiful is she? So friggin' beautiful. So this is a Balenciaga Nano City bag, and this color was so beautiful to me. I'm like, when am I ever going to find a bag that's this color again? Like, it's a nice magenta, fuchsia, pinkish, purplish bag. It's so friggin' beautiful. It is small, but I like that, and it does have a crossbody strap. So I looked at tons of reviews on this bag before I purchased it, because I'm like, is this gonna fit my phone? Is this gonna fit my lip gloss? Is it gonna fit everything that I need to carry? So let's take this stuffing out. So indeed, it can fit my phone, it can fit my wallet and my keys, and that's about it. And maybe like a lip gloss, depending on what lip gloss I'm using. But it's a cute small bag to just, like, you know, run around the city, get things done when I don't want to feel like I'm carrying a whole bunch of like luggage with me with my other bags that are bigger than this. But this bag is super cute, nice little vacation bag that I can use too. But it's so freaking beautiful. I love it. And I did get this from My Teresa, and I actually purchased it on sale. So this bag, I think it retails for like $1,600, and I ended up paying like $1,000 for it. So I was hype about it, but I just worked so hard this year that I'm like, how could I not get myself like a poppin' Christmas gift? Make it make sense. It's not clicking, Steven. It's not clicking, okay? So I had to make sure that I did right for myself this Christmas season, and I'm happy with my new little bag. So I hope you guys are ready to see her in the vlogs. I hope you guys are ready to see what's in my bag with this bag. I hope you guys are ready to see her time and time again, because y'all know me. When I pay $1,000 for something, guess how many times I'm gonna wear it? I'll let y'all guess. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it 1,000 times. So the next gift that I got is from a friend, and it is from the Bottega Veneta. You guys, this gift, I already opened it. But this gift right here, baby. So this is a gift, real small. This is a dust bag that it came in. The dust bag. Now my camera dying. But it is a wallet. Yeah, how beautiful is this? It's a trifold wallet, so freaking cute. And I don't know if I shared it with you guys on my YouTube channel, but I actually lost my card case back in the summertime, and it had everything in it, all of my cards. It didn't have my ID in it for some reason. I don't remember. I had my ID outside of my wallet, but I lost everything. All of my debit cards, all of my credit cards, everything was in that card case. So I was looking for a new wallet, but I was focusing more on like people's gifts, and I didn't really want to splurge on a new wallet, especially since the card case I lost was a Louis Vuitton card case, and that's like $300. I'm like, I'm not buying that again for myself right now. That's gonna have to wait. So I put it on the back burner. But you guys, this wallet is so friggin' beautiful. I never even looked at Bottega's wallet, but baby, Bottega my body. Okay, so I can't wait to fill her up. A nice little compartment for cash. In case you guys don't know, my wallet right now is a Saint Laurent envelope wallet, and it just has like the card separators, and then it has like just an area in the middle. But I don't have the whole fold out situation for cash, so I got a whole area for cash. I got an area to put my cards in, and also I have a little compartment to put coins in. So I'm really happy about this gift. It was really meaningful to me. We love a practical gift. So yeah, my little wallet, y'all about to see her a ton of times too, and she fit in my new bag, so what's up. The next gift that I got is from my good sis Stussy. You guys, my sis pulled up with the big bag, okay? And I actually haven't looked in the bag yet because I wanted to come on camera to open it. In case you guys don't know, Stussy is my friend Sharma. She has a YouTube channel too. It's the Stush Life. So if you guys aren't subscribed to her channel, make sure you guys subscribe to her. But I'm sure that if you guys watch my vlogs, you guys have seen her time and time again. But we actually met like online through like YouTube/Instagram, and we became cool friends. So she got me a gift. Thank you, Stussy, if you're watching this. But let's, ooh, baby. Yo, oh my god. So she got me this fragrance set. So funny story, we went to Nordstrom about a month ago, and we were just in the fragrance section, like smelling different fragrances, and I smelled this one and I said I liked it, and sis got it for me. So she got me the Very Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. It has a full size and I think it's a travel spray. Yeah, so it's the one fluid ounce, and then it's a roll on, a 0.34 fluid ounce roll on, so I could take on the go with me. Thank you, girl. Oh my god, I can't wait to open this up. And then she got me a touchpad mini tritone LED makeup mirror. This is gonna come in clutch because you guys know I'm always doing my makeup on the go when I travel. I have a nice mirror that gets lit up. It gets lit up. My battery died, but what I was saying is that this mirror is gonna come in clutch because I don't have to worry about carrying a mirror and then a light, because guess what, baby, we got it 2-in-1, and it recharges with USB. So thank you, Stush. Oh my god, let's see what oh, she got me a 7 Mia scrunchie. If you guys know Stussy, you know she loves 7 Mia. She's always wearing these scrunchies, so it's gonna be real cute with my hot little puff. And this is also a black owned business, 7 Mia, and a 7 Mia comb, okay, period. If you know me, you know I'm always using a comb too, and this is so cute. This like finish of the comb, I don't know if y'all could see, but this is so freaking cute. Okay, and then oh, this is the information for 7 Mia. It has a QR code on it so you guys can scan it real quick. Okay, black on business. And in the back it says, I hope your date is as beautiful as your hair. Fight like a girl. Yo, Stush, I'm not even gonna show this. I don't know if this is allowed to be on YouTube content, but my sis got me my sis got me a little piece of protection, okay? But thank you so much for these gifts, Stussy. Love you, girl. But this is so freaking thoughtful. So the last gifts that I got are from my sister Kim. So she got me this sweater that I have on, this Christmas sweater. If you guys watch my last vlog in November, I think it was, when I went to Target and I was like working from a cafe, I went to Target and I saw this sweater and I showed her. I'm like, oh my god, this sweater was so cute, but I didn't buy it. But she went ahead and got it for me. But this is so friggin' cute. It has flamingos on it. It's so festive. It's black, so I could wear these with my black tone ones. That's what I'm gonna do, okay? But I love the sweater. And then she also got me a book. She got me the Sneaker Freaker Golden Age of Sneaker Advertising Sold Out book. This thing heavy, okay? But this book is so freaking clutch. I've really been into like sneaker books, so I don't know if she caught onto that and she got me this, but I love it. So yes, those are basically all of the gifts that I received, all of the gifts that I bought myself this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll link as many things as I can down below in case you guys are interested in picking any of these items up. But yes, thank you guys so much to everyone who got me a gift. It is greatly appreciated. Once again, this video is not to brag, it's not to show off, it's just because I wanted to sit here and share some gifts that I got for Christmas with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. It's the day after Christmas, so merry belated Christmas, and it's also day 24 of Vlogmas 2021 for me. So I have one more video to share with you guys, but I do have some other videos that I'm going to post throughout the week before the new year, just because it's content that I want to get out to you guys. So low-key, I may, depending on how things go, I may have a video to post for you guys almost every day until the end of New Year. So little announcement slash, you know, good news, because I did slack off during Vlogmas, and also there's so many videos that I have either pre-recorded or I have in mind that I want to put up before the New Year. So I hope you guys enjoyed that content. As mentioned, it's not 100% guaranteed, but I'm going to try to make it happen. I'm going to try my best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that red subscribe button down below, because I have tons of amazing content coming for you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up, turn on your bell notifications, drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys got for Christmas, let me know what you guys think of any of the gifts that I showed. Comment down below and let me know. And until my next video, which will be tomorrow, I'll see you guys later.